I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use max mushrooms in Pokémon GO. These rare items are crucial for unlocking a powerful transformation for specific Pokémon. When consumed, a max mushroom enables a Pokémon to change its form, granting significant temporary stat boosts and access to unique movesets during battles. Understanding their function is the first step to mastering their strategic application in your gameplay. Acquiring max mushrooms requires dedication, as they are not readily available in the regular item shop. Your primary source will be completing specific special research storylines, often tied to major in-game events. Occasionally, you might also receive them as rewards from limited-time event challenges or raid battles. Always check your in-game news for announcements on how to secure these valuable items for your collection. Strategically, max mushrooms are used to unlock the Gigantamax form for eligible Pokémon. It's important to remember that not all Pokémon can Gigantamax. Only a select few species possess this capability. This powerful transformation is temporary, lasting for the duration of a single battle, whether it's a raid, gym battle, or trainer battle. Choose wisely which Pokémon to empower for maximum impact. To maximize the value of your max mushrooms, prioritize using them on your strongest, most battle-ready Pokémon that can Gigantamax. These items are best reserved for high-stakes encounters, such as challenging 5-star raid bosses or crucial trainer versus trainer battles. Always research which Pokémon gain the most significant advantages from their Gigantamax forms to ensure your precious max mushrooms are used to their fullest potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.